What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a Madden 18 pack opening. So, you guys like the Cinco de Mayo pack opening? Not, I don't know. Oh, LaShawn McCoy. Is that one? Yes, LaShawn. Well, let me move. Okay. So, we are just going to be doing a playing thing. Then we're going to we're gonna open a flashbacks thing and something else that you'll see. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We got a first try because we're just that good and we don't want to waste our time. Okay, bam. Bam. Let's get it. VHS tape. Yeah, I'm recording. Okay. Add and claim. Bum, 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 bum. Let's see our player. 105 overall, Leon Hall. We'll put him in our lineup. By the way, our lineup has changed. So, here is our offense. Here is our defense. Pause at any time you want to see something else. Or like, stop or whatever. So that cornerback was key because then we would have had... Wait, why don't we have our 93? How is this best? Wow. Probably because he boosts other people. I don't know. We got this guy from... I don't know. You guys saw what it was. I don't remember what it was, but it was called... I don't know. It was one of my pack openings. So off-seasoned. There we go. 90 overall. Get this. What's 90 overall do we want? Mel Blunt. No, we'll just get Derek Brooks. He's a newer one. Okay, I'm gonna pick a slot, and that's who we have to select. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm gonna pick the number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So we are gonna get Mel Blunt. 90 overall. Okay. 94, 90, or 95 overall. We are gonna pick number 3. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. I'll be fine with the corner. Come on, corner. Mel Blunt. So it looks like whenever you do a random pack, you get Mel Blunt. That's just what happens. We're 105 overall. Wait, how much does Mel Blunt go for? Yeah, go by him. Go get... Oh no, not him. My auctions. Marcel Darius. If you guys can get him. Then these guys, I think they're cheapest. I don't know. Wait. 22,500. I like they're not. If we get 5 likes, I will be doing a giveaway on Madden 18, the real one. So I'll just do something. You'll see once we get 5 likes. It's only 5 likes. It's not gonna be a trash player. Give you a hint. It's a legend. And I won it from a KKS giveaway. Hey. So if you watch it, it's golden ticket thing, then you'll know. You might know who I'm talking about. But if not, you'll just have a surprise. Just expect bad and then good things might happen. Okay, so we were gonna look at 95 Ultimate Legend. Where's the UL? Hopefully 250. $162. I feel like someone's gonna buy that, so I'll just do 200k. 200. So we're gonna have 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 69. Oh, too many numbers. Okay, 69, 69, 69, 69. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is our promo code. Buymyplayer.com. I'm joking. Search up buymyplayer.com. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay. What happens at buymyplayer.com? That's what I want to know. Okay. So that'll be it, guys, for my Madden mobile pack opening. See y'all tomorrow. Wrong button. See ya.